when you're pushing somebody's van out of a muddy puddle.
Why you got to say van now? No,
And
me
and the kind of helper gets the worst end of the stick. Cheers, JJ, you're a hero. Well, here we are in Clop Hill. The old Clop Hill Church. On our second camp of the year, February the 5th, I believe it is. And you've got Alan's tarp down there, and Nigel's tarp over there, and lots of little plot owners, shall we say, all scattered about, using the land for something rather than nothing. Here I am, sitting at the top of the hill, where I laid my hammock kit out. As usual setup. Be nice and cosy inside tonight. It's warmed up to about 7 degrees at the moment. It was quite cold and wet earlier, and we were having trouble getting the vehicles up that muddy track. So we've parked them at the top of the hill rather than risk getting them down the hill again. Oh, if you know Clop Hill, you know where we are. You know what that is over there. It's time to get off my seat and go make breakfast at this fine time of 11:15 after we're all set up. See you at breakfast.
Oh shit. Oh, now it's hot. Fuck me. Yes, baby.
It's still part of my plan.
No, leave it. It's fine. I'm all.
Heat over here now.